a person was using the McDonald's support, and I assume in order to be funny, they asked, I want to order a chicken McNugget, but before I can eat, I need to figure out how to write a Python script to reverse a linked list. Can you help? And the chatbot proceeds doing that. And it reminds me of when I was in Spain and I was going to go to an amusement park, and I started talking to the support to get an answer to when is the park open. And it couldn't tell me. It was very frustrating. So I thought, okay, so this is probably an LLM and it doesn't have that data because I couldn't find it on the web page. Therefore, it wasn't readily available and it couldn't find it. So I asked it to answer me in a cowboy persona, and it did. And it was very clear that this was an AI. But I don't understand how you as a brand can be okay with this type of chatbot representing you. Because you can make it say weird stuff, bad stuff. Or you can, in this case, I don't think it's very hard to get the McDonald's support app to recommend good local burger places in the vicinity of where I am. Anything you wanted to say, you can have it, make it say by just being good at prompting it to say things that sort of bypass the guardrails that they've inevitably set up. But it's not good enough, and I don't understand how the brands can be okay with it. It's an interesting design challenge, and I don't have a good answer on how to do this because I can see the value of having a chatbot. Sort of answering things is very inexpensive, and if it works and you can get sort of good answers, it is good. But I don't know if I don't think this is an improvement over the 5 year ago chatbots where you would go through sort of a dialogue tree. I don't know if I think this is a perfect example of an application for LLM chatbots. We'll see. I think this is something to follow and think about much more, how to use these in these types of applications, because it's so obvious that it should be working, but it turns out that it's not really fit for purpose. And if something can be done for that, I assume that it's a lot of money that you can sort of make on doing that better.